and today we can discuss the rock cycle and how the rock processes. Rock cycle is a continuously process where rocks transform between igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks through heat and weathering. Additionally, rock cycle is a process where the solid rocks turn into the small pieces and turn it again into a small solid rock. Now, what is rock cycle processes? We have here an example of rock cycle processes, which is the volcanic eruption. This example will explain by my groupmates. Let's start with volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption. Molten rock magma from Earth's interior erupt as lava, creating volcanoes. Volcanic eruption are like the Earth's way of letting off steam. Imagine the Earth as a giant pressure cooker, with molten rock, magma building up inside. When the pressure gets too high, the magma bursts out as lava, creating volcanoes and shaping the land.
Igneous rock. Igneous rock formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. When magma rises from beneath of the Earth's surface and cools slowly, it creates intrusive igneous rocks, like granite. This rock can eventually be broken down into sediments, contributing to the formation of sedimentary rocks, or they can be subjected to heat and pressure, transforming into metamorphic rocks.
Next is sediment. Sediment is a broken down rock of pieces, minerals, and organic matter. Sediment is a like of the broken pieces of rocks, minerals, and even plant and animal remains. It's like the scattered puzzle of pieces that carried by wind, water, or ice, waiting to be put back together. Thank you.
Metamorphic rock, formed through high heat and pressure, have significantly altered from the original igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic form.
How is metamorphic rock formed? Metamorphic rock form from the change of existing rocks under heat and pressure without melting. Now, how does a metamorphic rock turn into magma? Metamorphic rock does not directly turn into magma. In order a metamorphic rock to become a magma, it must be placed at the higher temperature and pressure that cause into melt.
Magma is like the molten chocolate chips in a giant hot cookie. It's a melted rock deep inside the earth, waiting to erupt as a lava and create volcanoes.